Hello everyone and welcome to another easy DIY. Today we're going to be cleaning this toilet ring out of here, and along with these blue stains that were caused by some toilet cleaner. And this is what we'll be using. My wife found this on Amazon for about $6, and it comes with two of them, so it should last a good amount of time. So stay tuned and watch the magic happen. So when it's new, it's kind of blocked off like the end here on top also. And what this is basically a really soft pumice stone. I'm not completely sure if it's safe for the porcelain, but it works for us, so let's do it again with this toilet. You can hear it working right away. Don't need no cleaners or anything else. I've tried using a magic eraser, borax, what's the other stuff called, baking soda. Nothing really works. And this is caused by most likely hard water.
You can pretty much see like the spots that it's erasing. It's like kind of falling.
If you want to be cleaner about this, go ahead and wear some rubber gloves. Maybe some goggles also. Night and day. I'm gonna give it another run. So as you can see, night and day difference. So look for those pumice stones on Amazon. It's a 2-pack for about $6. Cheaper than most of the over-the-counter or grocery store or whatever supermarket cleaners. Those usually run like $6 to $10. All right. If you find this helpful, go ahead and drop a like, thumbs up, and or subscribe. Thanks for watching.